Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I put the puff effect on my balloon sleeves. So I'm starting off with measuring 3 times of my round sleeve and then 17 inches length. Then the next thing to do is to sew the side seam together and then use the basting stitch to gather both the upper and the lower part of the sleeves. Then we go to the next level. Now we've already done that, the next thing to do now is to start applying the puff effect on our balloon sleeves by marking like 1.5 inches down below the stitching line. Then from there you grab like 2 inches and 2 inches together. Use your needle and thread. You can use your machine to do this as well, and pinch your fabric together. You don't need to do this step by step, like taking it one puff under each other, because it will form a nice look though. But I like making mine randomly. I like picking randomly, like in an X manner, because it gives me a better effect and a more creative look than doing it line by line. So you may want to watch and see how I do the X line effect. So you pick creatively till you get to a satisfactory result you wish. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share with your friends. I'm coming up with great videos very soon. In fact, this sleeve I'm making is for a very beautiful jumpsuit. I'm hoping to upload the video soon because I know you guys will like to watch and also make your own beautiful jumpsuit as well. So if you like to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel and put your notification bell on so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to watch it. Thank you very much for subscribing, for liking, for your support. Voila! My sleeve is almost ready. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to attach it to the other part of the sleeve. That is the sleeve, head, and the other parts I wish you attach. You can put this anywhere you like on your sleeves and it's going to look very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. So see the effect, and I'm loving my sleeves and I hope you guys like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.